What's wrong?
I dropped the beads, and they scattered everywhere. How do I pick them up now?
I know. Let's use a toothbrush. Cut up the toothbrush. Polish it to make smooth. Attach a small stick. Decorate it. The mop is ready. Here you go. Now you can clean up.
Thank you so much. I love this DIY.
Say gotta move like me, move like me, move like me. Gotta move like me, move like me. I'm the head, fix all
Yeah.
on me. 1, 2, 3. My
Tape.
hips going left, going right. So the girl that you didn't see.
Whoa!
Fantastic.
Yeah!
No, stop. Let's do this.
No!
I have an idea. Aha! It worked. Here you go.
Whoa!
No.
Okay. Fantastic! Wow! Whoa!
Huh.
Oh!
Paper soap.
Wow!
Yeah, what's wrong?
My tooth hurt.
Let me show you something.
Ew, it's so dirty here.
You need to brush your teeth.
Uh-huh. Ew, it stinks here.
You need to use dental floss.
Wow, it's nice here now.
How are your teeth?
Great, thanks, Mom.
Banana, 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 where are you? I am banana. Do 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 do. Banana, banana. Who is there with you? Banana, banana. No, that won't do. I'm banana, banana, I'm banana. That is the real me.
Huh?
No. Face.
Yeah! Clean my face. Woohoo!
Whoa.
Stop. Hands.
Uh-huh.
Clean my hands.
Yeah! Huh?
No, no. Fruits.
Uh-huh. Wash the fruit. Ew!
Good job.
Wow!
Oh no. Seriously?
Huh?
Here's the toothbrush and some toothpaste, please.
Oh, wait a bit, my dear. Let us make some simple rules clear.
Clean up.
Brush your teeth every day.
Uh-huh.
Do it carefully. Brush your teeth.
Brush
and
teeth.
then play when your teeth are clean. Brush your
Water
teeth
flower.
every
Yeah!
day.
Good job! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Woohoo! Great!
Hey, girl. Oh no.
Blue shark, hello, hello, blue shark, hello, hello, turn around and show your fin. Blue shark, hello, hello, blue shark, hello, hello, blue shark, hello, hello,
Shark, shark. Blue
Yes!
shark, shark, shark.
Great!
Blue shark, shark, shark. Blue shark, shark, shark. Blue shark, shark, shark. Blue
Excellent!
shark.
No. 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 Hey,
What's up?
I need slippers.
Okay. To make slippers, we need a hair tie.
Yeah!
Glue a tiny piece of fabric And a cute pom-pom to the tie. Cool?
Very cool. Thank you.
Play with my friends outside. I build a castle.
Seriously?
Like to play with kitty cats. I pet them all the time. I also love eating. Oh, that's funny. I want to have a piece. Yum, yum, yum. My little finger shut up loud.
Please don't put us in your mouth. Wash your hands. Don't forget to wash your hands. So, bubble, water. Splash, splash. Welcome to the clean hands team. Wash us, we are very dirty. Wash us, we are very muddy.
Stop! You can't flush that down the toilet.
Why not?
Because the toilet isn't a trash.
Wow! This can be washed off. Let's not.
Well done, you're right.
These are my bunny slippers.
No, your feet are dirty.
What? Why?
You need to wash your feet first. Now your toes. And finally your legs. Rinse off the foam with water.
Yes, now I'm clean. And I can put on my slippers.
Yeah! I want to take a shower today.
What is the smell? Emma, is this not you?
No!
Looks like someone forgot to wash up.
Yes, it's me.
Emma, dear, you need to shower every day. It's important for your hygiene.
Okay, I'm going to take a shower right now.
Huh?
Oh, it's mine.
I know what to do. Try this.
Wow! Great!
Wake up! We have a busy day. Brush your teeth to keep them white. Morning exercise is good for you. Let's eat so we stay full. Let's go to school to learn and see friends. Time for the toilet to feel better.
Kid, you don't need so much toothpaste to brush your teeth.
How much do I need?
Just a little. Give me a tube. That will be better.
Wow! It works!
When there's something really hard for me to do, I can be my favorite animal in the world. A cheeky monkey can climb up
Balloon!
high.
Yeah!
Cheeky
Pencil.
monkey, ooh, ooh, ah. Help me, hurry up. I lost my tail, help me out. Do not worry,
Wow!
we will find your tail.
Woohoo! School book. Pencil. Kids' scissors. Rulers. Notebook.